Good morning, one and all. I am Dr. Mahadeva Nayak NS, working as Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Bannur. Welcome you all for the e-content development program sponsored by Department of Collegiate Education, Karnataka. Program Bachelor of Commerce BCom, subject Principles of Marketing, semester second semester, University of Mysore, session 35. Session 35, Marketing Research. In this session, we will discuss about the growing importance of marketing, satisfy the needs of ultimate customer through research. The learning outcome of this session is to learn the importance of the marketing research. After learning this session, the student will be understand how marketing research has mirrored the increasing prominence of the marketing management. How the research deals with marketing management subject. Marketing research. Let us see the introduction. Research always starts with question or a problem. Research purpose is to find answers to the relevant question. Research is a systematic and intensive study directed towards a more complete knowledge of the subject studied. Meaning of marketing research. Marketing management is nothing but research. It is a marketing research. With the expansion of a business, marketing management today became very complex. It has to rely heavily on the marketing research for solving problems in the field of marketing. Research classification. We can classify the research into two categories. One is the basic research. It is a fundamental research or theoretical research, or it can be a pure research. It aims to expanding the frontiers of knowledge. That is why it is called as a basic research. Applied research. This is also called as decisional research. Proceeds with certain problems. Let us see some of the definition of marketing research. According to American Marketing Association, they state marketing research as a systematic gathering, a recording, and analysis of a data about problems relating to the marketing of goods and services. This is a popular definition stated by the American Marketing Association. The definition stated by Richard Crispy. The systematic objectives and exhaustive research for study of the facts relevant to any problem in the field of marketing. According to Array and Appner, marketing research is the inclusive term which embraces all research activities carried on for the management of marketing work. The management of marketing work are the gathering or recording and analyzing of all facts about problems relating to the transfers and sale of goods and services from producers to consumer. Sum up the session. Marketing research is just a consumer survey. asking consumers about certain needs in their products or services. Marketing research is an integral part of marketing research. It should make every effort to achieve persuasive communication. Decision is confined to main division of marketing research. Some of the popular MCQ question may be asked as research always starts with question or a problem. Research will always starts with a question. So true is the answer for the first question. Research can be classified into two categories. As we explained or as we seen in the session, there are two classification of research. One is basic research and other one is applied research. The references used for preparation of PPT is as usual Marketing Management by Philip Kotler, Pillai and Bhagavati, Rajan Saxena, and Marketing Research by G.C. Berry. These are some of the references used for preparing the PPT. Thank you, one and all.